If you like crispy waffles on the outside and fluffy on the inside, this is the recipe for you. You're going to start by mixing all of your dry ingredients. The list for the recipes is in the description below. Give that a good whisk, then add in your wet ingredients. Don't forget to add any hints of extra flavors that you guys may want in there, like cinnamon and things like that. Then whisk everything together. When it's finished, you'll get a batter that's something like this. It's not ready just yet. You want to let it sit for at least 20 to 30 minutes while you prepare other things. That's typically when I go prepare my meats. Don't use the cheap waffle makers. It's not worth it. They don't come out good and they do not crisp up like they should. This is how it looks in the little cheap ones. They're cute, but the waffles don't come out like these. Your waffle maker needs to give up a nice heat so that way it can actually give it the fluff that you want. The big waffle maker, the big Belgian one, that one did the job. I got big fluffy waffles just like this. This was the same batter from the other ones, and they came out completely different. So do invest in your waffle maker if you want them to come out tall and fluffy like these. If you're topping with sweet syrups, cut back 1 tablespoon of sugar.